Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Wyoming, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors who is living in Wyoming, United States. How to deposit money on your Binance account. How to buy Bitcoin. How to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback codes and links. And welcome to our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, you can find all informations about crypto coins, cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with your credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos, news and informations. It's so easy. Now we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page we can get information about best cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Binance Coin and others. It's so easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Firstly we need information. We should click information button. In this page we can get information about Bitcoin. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? We should click Get BTC button. Let's go.